calculation of maximum kinetic energy Ek of the emitted electrons with frequency nu in photoelectric effect correctly. These are the 4 graphs. We have to choose the correct graph. All graphs are representing the maximum kinetic energy of the photoelectrons with respect to the frequency of the photoelectron, for frequency of the radiation falling on the emitter. So here we will analyze the graph. According to question, we know that E is equal to phi plus K max. So K max will be equal to E minus phi, and this is equal to K max is equal to S nu minus phi. From this equation, if the frequency of the radiation falling on the emitter will be smaller than the threshold frequency, then electrons will be not able to eject out from the emitter, and hence there will no value of maximum kinetic energy, which is represented by this section of the graph. Here you can see that the frequency of the graph of this section, you can see that the frequency is smaller than the threshold frequency u naught. So here the energy of the photoelectron, the energy of the photon is not sufficient such that the electrons come out from the metallic plate. Means the electrons of the metallic plate are not getting sufficient energy from photoelectrons so that they can eject out from the emitter. Now if the frequency of the radiation falling on the emitter will increase, then the electrons will be able to eject out from the emitter, and in this case they will move towards the collector, and so they will have some value of the maximum kinetic energy, which is represented by the graph, by this segment of the graph. Hence this option is correct. Now we will also check whether this segment of the graph will be straight line or not. So from this equation we can write H nu plus phi minus H nu plus phi plus K max is equal to 0. It means minus H nu plus K max plus phi is equal to 0. 1 into 2. This is identical to the equation of straight line ax plus by. This is 1 into by plus c is equal to 0. Here a is equal to, here you can see here a is equal to minus h, b is equal to 1 and c is equal to 5. So the graph will be straight line for the frequency of the incident radiation greater than the threshold frequency, and this option is correct. Now if we check option A, then when the frequency of the radiation falling on the emitter will be just greater than 0, then there will be some value of maximum kinetic energy according to this graph. But it is not possible because we are knowing that the frequency should be greater than the threshold frequency, and this option is not. Now we check option number B. In this option again we can see that even the frequency of the radiation falling on the emitter is 0, but still there is some value of the maximum kinetic energy. But it is not possible because at 0 frequency of the radiation falling on the emitter, no electron can eject out from the emitter. So this is also wrong. Now for option C, we can check again here. Again you can see that there is zero value of the frequency of the radiation falling on the emitter, but still there is some value of the maximum value of kinetic energy of the photoelectrons. So it is also not possible. Therefore option D is correct.